Applying 3D Fiber Lash Mascara is so easy that I'm going to take the challenge to apply it while eating habanero peppers. So first, you take the gel, the black gel goes on just like mascara. So you're just going to put that on, just right directly on your lashes. Oh. And then once you get the fiber on, the gel on, the fiber, oh my God.
She's gone.
The fibers just go right over the gel.
Did-
And once you have the fibers on, then you're gonna cover the fibers with the gel. See, it's so easy. Oh my God! Mom, you're super nice.
It looks so good.
Let me do a close-up. Can I do a close-up, Dad?
Let's see your fiber lashes. They look really...
Oh, thanks. Oh my gosh, now